Okay, I tried doing my laundry and I'm washed and tried to dry clean my bed covering. So this is a special covering. It's a lined covering for the memory foam mattress. And it's very thick, so even after 30 minutes, it's still pretty wet. So I'm gonna have to leave it out to dry. However, the weirdest person ever is at the dry cleaner all the time. I don't come here a lot, maybe once a week, once every 2 weeks. However, she's constantly there. It's funny, strange in that she takes a cloth and soap and water and washes the dryer down, and then she puts a quarter in and she lets the dryer run a cycle, and then she gets her wash bucket after it's done the cycle and washes the dryer down again. Then she takes her items of clothes. She takes one piece of clothing, puts it in the washer, starts drying it. After 2 minutes, she adds a second piece, lets it go for a couple more minutes, and then she adds a third piece, and then she lets it dry for till the end of the cycle. And then she'll take those 3 items of clothes and do it all over again. Very strange, very OCD, and I just had to tape it and add it. I don't know why I did it, but yeah. This is the tape. Okay, sadly, I'm at the auto parts center again. Nice hairdo, Chuck. Oh my god. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. Brake cylinder. Pretty much goes right to the floor now. Not a surprise, since the last time my brake hose failed. The fluid was very muddy. So, very muddy and murky. So it's probably, yeah, shot, plugged up, or whatever, or the rubbers over, well, it's a 40-year-old vehicle, so all the rubbers and seals are probably worn off. So anyways, now if I could just figure out how to download the video off my tablet, because for some reason it's not syncing with my laptop. So yeah, one thing after another. And I had a feeling earlier this week I was gonna have a lot of good luck this week. So but well, I get to buy a new phone, so that should be lucky, because I like phone toys. So okay, so I ended up changing the master cylinder. I'm not gonna go about showing you the process because it's only 2 bolts. Anyways, it has 2 little plugs, this one, so you can bench bleed it just by plugging these lines, pumping the brake pedal about 20 times and bleeding out that cylinder. However, I'm gonna have to get Korean girl to help me do the finish bleed. It's not surprised that this baby went, because I don't know if the sun will pick this up. Hold on. Yeah, there, maybe get some sun on it. Look at this. It's just like freaking mud on the bottom. Does that come in? Yeah. There, try that. Look at that. It's just like freaking mud right there. And particles. So it's no surprise. This pump probably plugged up. Yeah, look at, wow. Yuck, that is nasty. Oh my god. Nasty, nasty. So that's what happened. It plugged up, failed. All the seals probably, that could be the rubber from the seals. No, just old rust and corrosion from probably water, condensation maybe, or something. A little bit of everything in there. So anyways, yeah, I tried it and I got brakes again. Scared me though, going down and all of a sudden your foot goes through the floor. Yeah. But it wasn't bad. If I pumped it twice, I would get some brake pressure. But anyways, cheers. I don't know what's the next adventure. So okay, boys and girls, so we drove around in the van today, and the brakes work amazing. So amazing, they're actually better now than what they were when I first bought the vehicle. much stiffer, no sponginess, stops on a dime. So a simple thing changeover that made a world of difference to this old girl. You have to remember, this was manufactured in 1978. That's like 41, actually 42 years ago this coming spring. So yeah, amazing, amazing. I love this old girl, even though I don't care for the setup very much. So we'll see. Maybe we'll keep this for another year or so before we upgrade. And yeah. Anyways, I don't know where I left off in this video. So if this is the end, I have to say goodbye, guys. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And remember, stay awesome.